We're going to take a quick look at the Epson WF-2010w maintenance tab and look at some of the options that are available on that tab to help you maintain your printer and indeed take a check on your printer to see how many prints you've done, serial number, etc, etc. Let's not waffle on, let's have a look at it now. So if we come down to your start panel, going to settings, and I'm using Windows 10, which the majority of people will be using. Devices. Now you've got two options here where you can find printers and scanners, devices and printers. Purely preference, I prefer this screen here, so let's click devices and printers. I prefer it because it gives a full reading of what's available. I'm going to open the screen fully and so that I can see what's going on. And there's our printer here, the WF-2010 Epson. So if we right click on our mouse and we go for printing preferences, and you're straight into the Epson driver, and what we want is a maintenance tab. Now there's a couple of things on here just to quickly go through, but I do want to look at the nozzle check area. You've got head cleaning. If you've got a blocked head, if the nozzle check comes out and you've got segments missing, you would use a head cleaning, and you'd do this in groups of 2 with at least 10-15 minutes in between to let the air bubbles, because you're moving ink around very quickly. But as you come down, you can see what they're all about. Paper guide cleaning, ink cartridge replacement. But let's get on to nozzle check. This is the one that you can have a look at to see the status of your printer. And as I said earlier, if that's good, that's what you're looking for, that's a good nozzle test. If you get something out like this, you need to hit the cleaning button. So we're just printing out at the moment, and the information it's going to give us is the serial number, the firmware version, first time that the unit was set up and printed from, how many color pages, how many black and white pages, and how many blank pages. All that information is very useful. Certainly if you buy a printer from the internet, if you set your printer up as soon as it arrives, you can quickly go into a nozzle test. You can see how many pages it's printed, so on and so forth. But I'm going to leave it there. The idea was just to show you how to access and some of the simple checks you can do to see the condition of your machine and give you some data on it. Okay, thank you.